Are you looking for a good Christmas dupe this year? We're back with the Paper Mache Christmas decoration. We're going to be focusing on the Paper Mache bells. If you want to see how I create these popular bells this year, keep on watching. For this week's tutorial, we are still on the Paper Mache Christmas decoration, but specifically we're going to be remaking these bells and we're just going to make them into Paper Mache Christmas bells. And this is what I thought that we could do. So last year we had to create the metal ball inside to make the sound. This year I said, why don't we use a can for them. These are peas cans, and this one is a tomato sauce. When you're cutting your can lid, there's two ways that you can cut your can lid. There's the one way where it cuts off this portion here and it will leave a sharp edge. Try and cut your can so it's the inside and only the middle portion of it is cut, so that then you can put a little bit of paper mache inside to line it, or even something. I'm not sure yet what we're going to do, but so that these jagged edges aren't cutting you. So to make the top portion, I cut the bottom part of this cup, and then what I'm doing is cutting all the way in, maybe leaving about 1/4 of an inch, and just cut all the way down. So we're going to cut this down so that everything's the same size. Okay, so then you're going to just take the top part, put it down, and you don't want it flat because those ones there go up in a peak. However, if you do it flat, just remember you're going to add a little bit more paper mache, and you're going to take this down. Now, to get the paper mache to adhere to your can, I'm going to add some masking tape. Start from the bottom. Now for the top part, I took an empty toilet paper roll, I split it, and I'm just going to go like that. Now make sure that when you are using your roll, do not make it too small, because remember, you're going to have paper mache on there. If you make it thick, it's going to make the hole look small. And with this, you can see it's a nice big hole. For the bottom of these bells, they have stars that you can actually see through. Because we're using a tin underneath it, we're not going to be able to get that. However, we can put that on in black. You can put it in black. I might leave mine plain, I'm not sure yet. To be one of the first to watch my videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. And before I color these, I wanted to show you guys some ways on how you can color your paper mache bells. So first you can obviously color it, you can color it before, which I think if you're going to do the gold, color it beforehand and then put the gold on top. You can put the gold over top of it, but you see that it looks more yellowish, which I think it's because I added some yellow. And then the black. And the black actually reflects the gold better. So what we're going to do now is we're going to coat it first with black, and then we're going to go back with the gold. So now that this is dried and you see the gold, you can spray varnish on it, or you can also do the UV resin on it. I'm not going to do anything. I think last year I left it and it was fine with the paint. It protected it outside. These ones are going to stay inside the house. So we're going to just put our jute twine in, and I'm going to pull it up. Now you can figure out how small you want this knot, and then you're going to take one part of the jute and you're going to and tie it down, and you can untwine it or you can leave it, and there you go. Now, if you wanted to tag me on any of your DIY projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me on there. And then I also have my Facebook page where you can upload different DIY projects that you're creating. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to make paper mache Christmas decor, specifically the paper mache bells, focus on this video next on how to make the Christmas wreath from last year. If you like this week's video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Take care.